Alright, so gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, so we're gonna do spinning top candlestick patterns next. So that's the last single candlestick pattern that you need to know. So we already went over marbles and dojis. Those are the single candlestick patterns that you're gonna see. This is the last one, spinning tops. So spinning tops, they have small bodies. This is a bullish spinning top. This is a bearish spinning top, and they have two long wicks. And these are wicks. You know, the high of a wick and the low of the wick. The body is very short. So spinning tops. Spinning tops is a candlestick pattern that has a short row body that is vertical centered. Let's go to a few definitions. All this Japanese candlestick patterns that you need to know as far as single and spinning top. That's what we're going over right now. I already went over doji, Murabozo, and we still gotta go over inverted hammer, hanging man, and shooting star. So we're gonna do inverted. Even though I went over all of them already, we're gonna go over it again. So we're gonna spin the top now. We already did doji and Murabozo. Make sure you check those videos out. Inverted hammer and hanging man is next, and then shooting star. We did on double, as far as your double candlestick patterns, is and bearing, bullish and bearing, engulfing, and tweed top and bottom, and tree the bottom. Those are as far as your double. And for your triples, we're gonna go over them. There will be your morning and even stars, your three black crows, and the three we have. It's a few of them. You have the head and shoulders, the inverted head and shoulders. So I just want to go over them too, and the triple stick pattern soon. So, but alright. So back to the single candlestick patterns. Like I said, spinning top real fast when I do this video. Really want to do this video. What is a spinning top candlestick? So a spinning top candlestick pattern that has a short row body that's vertical center between a long upper and low, and has a vertical center in between a long upper and lower shadow. So it has a small body, row body, short body, and a long upper and lower shadow. The candlestick pattern represents indecisive about the future direction of an asset and means that neither a buyer nor seller could gain the upper hand. A candlestick pattern forms when the buyers push the price up during a given time period and sellers push the price down during the same time period, but ultimately the closing price and the strong price advance or decline. Spinning tops can signal a potential price reversal if the candle that following confirms. A spinning top can have a close or bottom below the opening, but the two prices are always closed together. Top pattern. Spinning top is a candlestick pattern that has a short row body that's vertically centered between a long upper and lower shadow. The row body should be small, showing little difference between the upper and closed price. Since buyers and sellers both pushed the price but couldn't maintain it, the pattern shows indecisive and that more sideways momentum could follow. What does the spinning top really tell you? Spinning tops are signs of indecisive in the market. The lower and lower shadow indicate there wasn't a meaningful change in price between the open and the close. So bulls sent the price sharply higher, and then the bears sent the price sharply lower, but in the end the price closed near where it opened. This indecisive can signal more sideways movement momentum, especially if the spinning top occurs when established range. It can also signal a possible price reversal if it occurs following a price advance or decline. Sometimes spinning tops may signal an uptrend, could be a sign that the bear control and that a trend may be reversing. Similar, a spinning top at the bottom of a downtrend could signal that bears are losing their control and bulls may take control. In any case, confirmation here clarifies that spinning tops is saying that confirmation comes from the next candle. If you need confirmation from the next candle, if a trader believes spinning tops after an uptrend could result in a reversal to the downside, the candles that follow the spinning top should see price drop. If the reversal is not confirmed, and the trader will need to wait for another trade signal. If spinning tops occur within the range, this indecision is still prevalent and the range will likely continue. The candles that follow should confirm stay within the examples or be sideways candle be consolidating. It could also signify that traders are about to consolidate for a little bit. Spinning tops are common candlestick patterns, which means that they work best in conjunction with other forms of technical analysis. For example, traders may look at technical indicators like the moving average, which we'll be going over for signs of reversal before taking a trade based on spinning tops indicators, or forms of analysis such as identifying short supports and resistance may aid in making difference between a candlestick pattern. The example spinning top, the first one on the left occurs after a small price declines, and the following by the down candlestick indicates a further price slide. The price does head a bit lower, but then a reversal to the upside. If taking trades based on the candlestick, this highlights the importance of having a plan and managing risk after the candlestick. So as you can see in this example of a spinning top. Right here, the small body, two long wicks. Wait for the preceding candlesticks to proceed. Boom. You get a reversal. It's a spinning top on a downtrend signifies a reversal. So we have to see what the preceding candlesticks say. After that, we finally get a green candlestick, a marble candlestick, 5 candlesticks, about 7 candlesticks. So it's going up. Okay, boom, went up to its highest peak. Boom. Okay, all the way from down, it was down here, right? So we was like at 58, went all the way up to 66.50 from, from here, from like, that's about like 58. So, and then you see another, you see actually a marble candlestick along. You see a marble candlestick, sometimes it'll have short wicks, it'll have little wicks, but it'll still be a long candlestick. This is a bearish marble candlestick. So it's red and it's long, so it means that that's a signal that and then you see a 4 price doji right here. That's a 4 price doji, that minus doji actually, as you can see that, followed by a big marble confirmation, meaning that it's going down. Then it really see the confirmation right here, with the spinning top. They're saying this is a spinning top too right here, I guess. This picture, as you look back after the left, there is 2 arrows pointing. That's saying that one with the up, the long wick at the bottom at the top, and the small body and the small wick at the bottom is a spinning top too. But this spinning top is right here. You can see it. It's obvious. That's the reversal. You see a spinning top on an uptrend, reversal downtrend. A strong downtrend maybe coming in. Then we see another major marble candlestick. So I would have probably got in around once I started seeing confirmation, about 65ish, 66. Doji definitely would have got in. You could have rolled that, and they rolled that down. You could have rolled that down to about 60, 61, and got a good trade in. Made a few hundreds, maybe thousands, depending on the trade. And I want to teach y'all how to make that, so thousands and stuff, hundreds. So this is spinning top. that example shows several spinning tops. The first one on the left occurs after a small price decline and followed a further price slide. And the price does head a bit higher than lower, but then a reversal to the upside. If taking a trade based on the candlestick, this highlights the importance of having a plan and managing risk after the candlestick. So the second spinning top occurs within a range. Current indecision of the market as the price continues to head sideways. The third spinning top is exceptionally large compared to the candlestick around it and occurs after an advance and was followed by a large down candlestick. This ended up being a reversal candlestick as the price proceeded lower. As the price was dropping, another spinning top formed and being a brief pause as the next candles gap lower and continued to falling. The example highlights the importance of a confirmation and content. Spending tops within range typically help confirm the range in the market and decision. Spending tops within trends may be reversal signals, but the candles that follow need to confirm. So we need the candlesticks following that to confirm the spinning tops and dojis. Spinning tops and dojis between representing indecisive. In the market, dojis are smaller with small upper and lower shadows. Spinning tops have long upper bodies and lower shadows. But both patterns occur frequently and sometimes used to warn a reversal after a strong price move. Both types of candles may rely heavily on confirmation and strong moves after a spinning top or a doji tells more about the new potential and price direction than the spinning top or a doji itself. So this is spinning top. The limitations of using the spinning top candlesticks are common, which means many of the patterns with witness will be and consequentially consequential since assets often have periods of indecision. This makes frequently occur when the price is already moving sideways or is about to start. If a forecasting reversal to common nature of spinning tops are also making this, spinning tops won't result in a reversal. Confirmation is required, but even when confirmation, there is no assurance that the price will continue in a new direction. Trading around a spinning top can also pose some problems since the candles can be quite large from highs to low. If confirmation comes from a spinning top and trade is taking a place stop loss above or below a high or low of a spinning top could result in a large risk which doesn't justify the potential reward. We have to look for more, confirmation. Assessing the reward potential of spinning tops trades is also difficult since the candlesticks pattern doesn't provide a price target or exit plan. Traders need to utilize other candlestick pattern strategies and indicators to find profitable exits, and we will. And we do use indicators and other methods and patterns, to confirm, like Marabosal, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, spinning top, so head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. So we're gonna get into that, but I just wanted y'all to know, like, this, with spinning top. Even though we went over it again, I'm going over it one more time for y'all, so y'all can just have it. So this is spinning top. I think I'm done with this video. Let's see. Anything else I want to tell you about spinning tops? Spinning top patterns indicate that indecisive between the buyers and sellers. So, that's what, spinning tops indicate, and it can indicate that reversal can be coming. And it has long upper shadows and long lower shadows and a small real body. And it's called a spinning top. So, gang, your boy Nature. Alright, so we went over the basic Japanese candlestick patterns, which is spinning tops, Marabosals, and dojis. Alright, So those are the basics. So we're going to dive into more advanced on the other candlestick patterns, the other single candlestick patterns too. We're gonna do triple stick candlestick patterns next though, and then we're gonna just dive in. I'm gonna dive in really good on a few more single candlestick patterns and triple stick candlestick patterns that you need to know about, that my mentor taught me. Shout out to Swaggy C. That I paid a lot of money for this, so I'm gonna give it to y'all. Do what I can do to help out. So, alright, gang. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.